Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to automate your trading signals from TradingView to MT4 or MT5. By following this step-by-step guide, you'll set up a TradingView signal copier that helps you trade faster, smarter, and never miss a trading signal again. To get started, I'll create a new connection by clicking the Create Connection button. Okay, the connection has been created. On this page, you'll see signal sources, signal receivers, connection settings, and history logs. Since this is a new connection, everything is currently empty. A connection defines how your signal sources and signal receivers work together. Whenever a trading signal is received from one of your signal sources, it will be processed by all connected signal receivers. As you can see, I already have several signal sources connected. Signal sources can come from TradingView indicators or Telegram groups and channels. I also have an MT5 account and a Binance account connected as signal receivers. For this tutorial, we'll be automating trading signals from TradingView to MT4 and MT5. So let's add a new TradingView signal source. Click Connect Source. A webhook URL will be generated. Copy this URL as you'll need it later when setting up your TradingView alerts. All TradingView alerts will be sent to this webhook URL. Click Continue. This page provides a quick overview of how to set up TradingView alerts. You can click the documentation link for detailed instructions. I'll walk you through the setup later, so for now, just click Continue. Great, your TradingView signal source is now connected. This is the Manage Signal Source page. Here, you can see the webhook URL that was generated during setup. You can also configure the allowed trading actions for this signal source. If you want to ignore specific actions, simply disable them here. For this tutorial, we'll leave everything enabled. Your TradingView signal source is now ready. This is its name, and you can rename it at any time if needed. Now let's go back to our connection and use this TradingView source. Click Manage Sources, then select the TradingView signal source we just connected. As you can see, a connection can have multiple signal sources. Perfect. Our selected signal source has been added to the connection. Now, select Signal Receivers to connect a new MT5 receiver. This page shows all currently supported receiver types. To connect a new MT5 receiver, click Connect Receiver under MetaTrader 5. Connecting an MT4 receiver follows the exact same process. Just click Connect Receiver under MetaTrader 4 instead. In the first step, you'll need to download the Receiver Expert Advisor. This EA is used to connect your MetaTrader trading account to Signal Copier bot. I'll download it and save it to my desktop. Click Continue. This page explains how to install the EA in your MetaTrader terminal. Detailed instructions are available here. But I'll go ahead and install it now. This is my MetaTrader terminal. First, I'll extract the downloaded EA package. After extraction, you'll see two files. Copy both files into the Experts folder of your MetaTrader terminal. Make sure you copy both files. Then refresh the Navigator panel to see the new EA. Great, the EA is now available. Double-click the EA to install it. Enable Allow DLL imports. This option must be checked, otherwise the EA will not work. Next, open the Inputs tab. The only setting you need is the license key. Go back, copy the license key, and paste it here. That's it. Your MetaTrader trading account is now connected. You can see the connection status here. You can install the EA on any chart. The chart and symbol do not matter. You only need to install the EA once, and it will work for all symbols on that trading account. Click Continue. Great. Your MT5 receiver has been connected successfully. This is the trading account currently logged into your MetaTrader terminal. If you skip the EA installation during the setup process, you can always download the EA later and use this license key to activate it. You can also click this link for detailed installation instructions. As you can see, MT4 and MT5 receivers include a wide range of advanced settings to help you manage risk and customize how signals are executed. These features include symbol filters, symbol mapping, risk limits, signal size, stop loss, take profit, break even, and trailing stop. Everything you need to manage and automate your trades is supported. Now, let's go back to our connection. Click Manage Receivers, then select the MT5 receiver we just connected. Great, we have successfully connected a TradingView signal source, an MT5 receiver, and linked them together in a connection. From now on, whenever a trading signal is received from this TradingView source, it will be automatically processed by this MT5 receiver. You can monitor all signal activity and execution results in the history log section. Our connection is now fully set up. Let's send a test signal and see how the TradingView signal copier works automatically. I have a EUR USD chart open in TradingView. TradingView sends signals through alerts. When an alert is triggered, a signal is sent. So let's create a new alert. An alert is triggered when its conditions are met. By default, price is the only available condition. However, you can use any indicator or strategy you trust to trigger alerts. For example, I'll add a simple RSI indicator to this chart. As you can see, the RSI indicator now provides signal conditions that can be selected when creating an alert. Most TradingView indicators, both free and paid, provide signal conditions. Simply add them to your chart and select them here. For this demonstration, I'll use a simple price condition, so the alert triggers immediately. Now that we have the alert condition, let's configure the signal delivery. Open the Notifications tab, enable webhook URL, and paste the webhook URL generated when we connected the TradingView source. Let's go back to Signal Sources and copy the webhook URL. Now paste it here. Next, we'll enter the trading signal in the message field. By default, TradingView generates its own message content. We'll replace it with our trading signal. For example, buy 1 EURUSD. You can enter any signal format that matches your trading strategy. Let's quickly summarize what's happening. When the alert condition is met, TradingView triggers the alert and sends the message to the webhook URL. The content of the message field is the trading signal that gets sent. And because we've already connected this TradingView source to our MT5 receiver, the signal will be automatically processed and executed. Now let's create the alert. As expected, the alert is triggered immediately because the condition has already been met. Let's switch back to our MT5 terminal. As you can see, a new trade has already been placed. The symbol is EURUSD. The order type is buy and the volume is 1 lot, exactly matching the signal we sent. Now let's return to the dashboard and open the history logs. We can see a new log entry here along with the trade details. Everything worked exactly as expected. Pretty amazing, right? Our AI-powered signal parser supports trading signals in any language and format. Simply write your signal in a way that humans can understand, and we'll handle the rest. If you need extra help, we also provide a signal generator and a signal parser under the Signal Tools menu. These tools help you create signals faster and preview how they will be interpreted. Using the signal generator, you can build trading signals by adjusting the parameters here. For example, I'll add a stop loss and a take profit level. Then copy the generated signal. Next, I'll paste it into the signal parser tool and click Parse Signal with AI. The parsed result appears instantly. This shows exactly how the signal will be interpreted and executed. It's that simple.